The market is full of three-row family SUVs, but most of them struggle to balance comfort with off-road capability. But there are exceptions, and the Explorer is definitely one of them, especially now with the addition of a new off-road focused version. Stay with us and find out what really makes the 2026 Ford Explorer so special and why competition can't match this. The game-changing Tremor package. Ford's Tremor lineup just expanded in the most exciting way possible. The 2026 Explorer Tremor is finally here, taking the popular three-row SUV and transforming it into a genuine off-road machine that doesn't sacrifice comfort for capability. This isn't just another appearance package. This is a serious upgrade for adventurous families who need more than what typical suburban SUVs deliver. The Tremor treatment, which already proved successful on the F-150 Super Duty Expedition and the smaller Maverick, now gives Explorer enthusiasts the rugged option they've been demanding. What makes the Explorer Tremor special is how thoroughly Ford engineers approached the transformation. Spy photos reveal a distinctively styled front end with an aggressive mesh grille featuring a bold orange accent strip that instantly identifies this as no ordinary Explorer. Below the grille, a pair of orange painted recovery hooks stand ready for action, while a substantial skid plate protects vital components underneath. The Tremor rides on unique 18-inch wheels with distinctive orange accents that help identify the valve stem's location, a thoughtful touch for off-road air-down situations. The wheels are wrapped in serious Bridgestone Dueler Revo 3 all-terrain tires, sized 265/65 R18, standing 31.6 inches tall and providing the grip needed when the pavement ends. The Tremor replaces the previous Explorer Timberline model, but goes significantly further with its capability upgrades. While the Timberline was more of an off-roader light with styling elements and modest mechanical changes, the Tremor pushes the Explorer much deeper into genuine off-road territory. That's crucial in today's market, where even traditionally road-focused brands like Honda and Kia are introducing more capable variants like the Pilot Trailsport and Telluride X Pro. However, Ford's approach with the Tremor goes beyond these competitors, aiming to close the gap with Jeep's Grand Cherokee, which has long dominated the mid-size off-road conversation. Exterior design built to stand out. The 2026 Explorer's visual presence has been completely transformed, with the Tremor leading the charge as the most distinctive variant in the lineup. Beyond the Tremor-specific elements, the entire Explorer range recently received a bolder front fascia with a larger grille, redesigned headlights, and lower air inlets that create a wider, more planted appearance. The overall effect makes the Explorer look significantly more substantial and capable than before. At the rear, Ford has given the Explorer a modern, connected look with redesigned taillights joined by a horizontal element that includes Explorer script and partial illumination. This contemporary styling touch brings the Explorer in line with current automotive design trends while maintaining its distinctive identity. For the first time, customers can opt for a black painted roof on most models, adding a premium two-tone appearance that enhances the SUV's profile and creates a more dynamic look. The Tremor stands apart with its unique front-end design, orange exterior accents, and exclusive wheel design. Its stance is noticeably more aggressive thanks to increased ground clearance and those beefy all-terrain tires. Steel skid plates protect the undercarriage from rocks and obstacles, while the front bash plate seamlessly integrates into the redesigned front bumper. The Tremor package transforms the Explorer from a capable family SUV into something that looks ready to tackle serious off-road trails straight from the showroom floor. Interior, comfort, and utility. The 2026 Explorer features a dashboard design with a focus on both premium materials and practical features. New soft-touch surfaces on the center console, door panels, and dashboard elevate the feeling of quality, while thoughtful storage solutions keep the cabin organized for family adventures. The Tremor distinguishes itself inside with special interior treatments, including orange contrast stitching and Tremor script embroidered in the seatbacks. The cabin is both functional and distinctive, with unique trim pieces that coordinate with the exterior's adventure-ready appearance. Despite its off-road focus, the Tremor doesn't compromise on comfort, maintaining the Explorer's reputation as a premium family vehicle. The Explorer's family-friendly interior configuration remains one of its strongest selling points. Getting into the standard third row is remarkably easy, thanks to a clever mechanism that moves the second row seat out of the way at the touch of a button. While taller passengers might find the third row's seating position a bit low for long trips, it's perfectly suitable for occasional use. With 4 carry-on suitcases fitting behind the third row and a total of 31 carry-ons with both back rows folded flat, the Explorer remains supremely practical for everything from daily errands to extended road trips. Tech features, next-generation connectivity. The 2026 Explorer leads the Ford lineup with cutting-edge technology that keeps everyone connected, informed, and entertained. Every model comes standard with an impressive 13.2-inch LCD touchscreen infotainment system paired with a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster. The system runs on Ford's latest digital experience platform, which allows drivers to access apps and services from Google and Amazon, as well as seamlessly integrate with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What truly sets this system apart is its extraordinary versatility. When the vehicle is parked, passengers can stream videos from YouTube and other providers, browse the internet, and even play games via Google Play, effectively turning the Explorer into an entertainment hub during rest stops or camping trips. Connectivity is comprehensive with 8 USB ports, including 2 dedicated to third-row passengers, and 3 12-volt power sockets strategically placed throughout the cabin. For audiophiles, most Explorer models come standard with a sophisticated 12-speaker Bang & Olufsen stereo system that delivers premium sound quality through a sleek soundbar-like element integrated into the dashboard design. The Tremor benefits from all these tech features while adding specific off-road monitoring capabilities that display useful information like pitch, roll angles, and terrain management system settings. Perhaps most impressive is the availability of Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving feature, which allows drivers to operate the vehicle without hands on the wheel on compatible highways. This technology, previously unavailable on the Explorer, represents a significant upgrade for the 2026 model year and puts it at the forefront of driver assistance technology in the 3-row SUV segment. Powertrain and performance. The 2026 Explorer Tremor stands ready to tackle challenging terrain with comprehensive powertrain options engineered for capability. While Ford hasn't officially confirmed which engine will power the Tremor, but we're pretty sure it will receive the mightier 400-horsepower twin-turbo 3-liter V6 that's standard on the Explorer ST and optional on the Platinum. This power plant delivers an impressive 415 pound-feet of torque, providing the low-end grunt needed for off-road situations and confident towing. The standard Explorer lineup offers 2 robust engine choices. The base option is a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces a substantial 300 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, figures that eclipse many competitors' V6 offerings. For those seeking maximum performance, the twin turbocharged 3-liter V6 delivers an exhilarating 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque. Both engines pair with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth shifts and keeps the engines in their optimal power bands. Every Explorer comes with the Class 3 towing package as standard equipment, which includes a hitch, trailer wiring harness, and trailer sway control system. With a maximum towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, the Explorer remains ready to haul boats, camping trailers, or other recreational equipment for weekend adventures. The Tremor is expected to receive additional upgrades, including a retuned suspension with more travel, special shock absorbers calibrated for off-road use, and a terrain management system with additional drive modes specifically designed for different off-road conditions. The Explorer Tremor's performance credentials extend beyond simple power figures. Based on the Expedition Tremor, we can expect the Explorer version to feature steel skid plates underneath, a higher ride height, and retuned suspension and steering for optimal off-road performance. These modifications transform the Explorer's already capable platform into something that can venture far beyond where most family SUVs would dare to tread. Release date and price. When can you get one? The 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor is about to arrive at dealerships later this year, giving adventure-seeking families something to eagerly anticipate. As for the price, the Tremor package will start around $55,000, positioning it between the ST line and range-topping ST models in the Explorer lineup. On the other hand, base models carry on with pretty much the same starting price as for the outgoing model, which would be a little bit over $40,000. Ford has wisely priced the Explorer Tremor to compete directly with other off-road-focused SUVs in the segment, offering genuine capability at a price point that represents solid value given its impressive feature list and mechanical upgrades. For buyers who need 3-row practicality but refuse to sacrifice off-road capability, the 2026 Explorer Tremor stands as a compelling option that's worth the wait. But the Explorer isn't the only excellent option on the mid-size SUV market. Check out this video about what makes the 2026 Honda Pilot so great, which you can now see on the screen. Honda's 3-row SUV is coming with important updates for the next year, ready to take over the class-leading position. Thanks for watching and see you next time.